So the water flows from two gutters down a huge swale. Around the deck. And into the rain garden. Right now it's not raining very hard, but it was earlier. And as you can see, the rain garden is capturing the water and infiltrating it into the ground instead of letting it run off, which is the goal of the rain garden. There's a bridge that goes over the rain garden swale, as you can see right there. There's the little stepping stone bridge. And this is the swale that brings the water from two downspouts where there's a lot of water coming from the roof into the rain garden.